This is a Magic Square 2 puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in a minute. The goal of this puzzle is to fit all 5 parts, including this black square, into the frame. And as you can see, there is plenty of space between parts left, but it is not enough to fit the black square. The Magic Square 2 was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the Magic Square 2 and we want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. So how to solve this puzzle? So first of all, you have to remove all parts from the frame, and now you have to reorganize them. How to do that? It will be quite a complicated solution. Actually, it looks easy, but what makes it difficult is that all 4 parts, they are not the same, they are different, as you can see. Even though these 2 parts, they look very similar, but they have different sizes. These 2 also, this one is shorter than this one. So you have to find a correct spot for each of the parts, and only then you will be able to solve the puzzle. So as I remember, you have to put these 2 parts like that. Then this piece goes somewhere here. This piece goes, actually, probably like that. This piece goes right in here, and then we have just enough space in the middle to fit the black square. And that is the solution of the Magic Square 2 puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.